Hello there. I woke up early in the morning, and this is what I saw. Look, I wonder why this flower aren't growing up. Oh no, these birds are eating the buds and the leaves. Now I understand why. But I can't do anything. I just have to watch them from afar. They are so cute and adorable. Just like the one who is watching this video now. You are all beautiful and adorable. I hope you have a good day. Thank you for watching. Keep safe always and God bless.